Hello and welcome to Coaster Stop. This is the latest construction update for Liseberg Amusement Park. There is a lot going on at Liseberg in preparation for their 100th anniversary, and we're here to break it all down for you. We are excited to announce that the hotel, Liseberg Gran Curiosa Hotel, is almost finished and is getting ready for its grand opening on April 22nd, 2023. However, please note that there will be pre-opening rehearsals in the weeks leading up to the grand opening to make sure that everything is working perfect. The exterior of the hotel is looking great and we can't wait to see this hotel in person. In addition to the hotel, the new entrance to the park is also taking shape. It looks like the entrance itself will be put in place very soon. We can't wait to see the new and improved entrance with its brand new Liseberg sign in front of the hotel. We have to give a huge shout out to coasterblog.se on Instagram for the amazing aerial footage. Make sure to give him a follow for more amazing content like this. But not only is there a hotel and an entrance being built in this area right now, there will also be outdoor servings outside of the park, so you can actually enjoy a drink at the hotel on the outside by not being in the park. This is really good for the days when the park is not open. But more things is happening next to the hotel. We have some exciting news about the waterpark Oceana. The park now has a covered roof and the first pieces of the slides have been rumored to arrive in the parking lot very soon. It will be very exciting to see the slides start being constructed around the building in the coming weeks. Please note that the south parking lot will be closed off completely in the near future, and I also think that this is permanently. However, we are happy to announce that the new parking garage at World of Volvo will be open by the end of March. This will be where Liseberg guests can park their cars. Additionally, the refurbishment of Balder will continue. Yes, you heard me right. The rails being replaced in 2022 was not all. Now the remaining 71 rails will be replaced over the course of the next 3 years. Do not worry though, the rails will be replaced during the park's closure and Balder will operate as normal together with the park. Finally, the roller coaster Luna is making great progress. The track is currently being lifted and we will soon be able to see the full layout in the upper part of Liseberg. If you want to learn more about Luna, be sure to check out another video on our channel that is solely focused on this exciting new addition to the park. We can't wait for ourselves or for you to see all of the exciting new additions to Liseberg when the park reopens with its 100-year celebration. What is your thoughts on the new hotel, the new entrance, the new roller coaster and the water park being constructed at Liseberg as of right now? Please share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Coaster Stop. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.